Welcome to the most mind-bending journey through space you'll ever experience. Get ready to have your perception of reality shattered because we're about to dive into the most absurd, unbelievable, and awe-inspiring facts about the cosmos. Buckle up, because these facts are going to blow your mind into another dimension. Prepare to question everything you thought you knew as we explore the wonders and mysteries of the universe. You know the sun, right? That massive glowing orb that lights up our days and warms our planet? That giant ball of fire in the sky? It's not just a simple star, it's a dynamic, ever-changing powerhouse. Well, get this. What if I told you it's basically a giant disco ball? Yes, you heard that right. Okay, not literally, but imagine this. The sun's surface is a churning, boiling sea of plasma, constantly erupting and spewing out energy. These eruptions are like the ultimate light show with solar flares shooting out into space. Now picture those eruptions as flashing lights, and the sun's rotation as the spinning motion. It's like the sun is putting on a never-ending performance, a cosmic dance that never stops. It's like a cosmic rave up there. The sun's energy pulses and flares, creating a mesmerizing display that would put any nightclub to shame. And just like a disco ball reflects light, the sun showers us with energy that sustains all life on Earth. Every beam of sunlight that reaches us is a gift from this celestial performer. So next time you're dancing the night away, remember you've got the sun, our very own disco ball, to thank for it. Its energy fuels our planet, powers our ecosystems, and even influences our weather. The sun is the ultimate life giver, and its cosmic dance is a reminder of the incredible forces at work in our universe. So, whether you're basking in its warmth on a summer day or marveling at a beautiful sunset, take a moment to appreciate the sun's dazzling performance. It's a show that has been going on for billions of years and will continue for billions more. Our cosmic disco ball lighting up the universe and making life on Earth possible.
Ever been to the beach and tried to count all those tiny grains of sand? It's impossible, right? Well, try wrapping your mind around this. There are more stars in the observable universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. That's right. Every single star you see in the night sky is just a tiny speck in an ocean of celestial bodies. It's enough to make you feel incredibly small and insignificant, yet also strangely connected to something much, much larger than ourselves.
Here on Earth, we're surrounded by sounds, from the chirping of birds to the roar of traffic. The symphony of life is all around us, creating a constant backdrop to our daily activities. Whether it's the rustling of leaves in the wind, the hum of a bustling city, or the laughter of children playing, these sounds are an integral part of our existence. But in space, it's a different story. The environment changes drastically once you leave the Earth's atmosphere. The familiar sounds we take for granted are left behind, and a profound silence takes their place. Space is a vacuum, and sound can't travel through a vacuum. This means that the usual methods of communication and experiencing the world around us don't apply. Without a medium like air or water to carry sound waves, the silence is absolute. So if you were to blast your favorite rock anthem in space, no one would hear a thing. The music would be confined to your own ears if you were wearing headphones, but the vast emptiness around you would remain undisturbed. It would be the ultimate silent concert. Imagine strumming a guitar or playing a piano and seeing the strings vibrate or the keys move, but hearing nothing in return. It's a surreal experience that challenges our understanding of sound and music. Of course, this makes space exploration a little eerie. The silence can be both a comfort and a source of unease. Without the usual auditory cues, astronauts must rely on other senses and instruments to navigate and understand their surroundings. Imagine floating through the vastness of the cosmos, surrounded by breathtaking beauty, but without a single sound to accompany the experience. The sight of distant galaxies, twinkling stars, and swirling nebulae is mesmerizing, yet the silence adds a layer of mystery and solitude. It's both awe-inspiring and slightly unsettling. The silence of space forces us to confront the enormity of the universe and our place within it. It reminds us of the fragility of life and the unique conditions that make Earth our home. In the end, the sound of silence in space is a powerful reminder of the vast, uncharted territories that await our exploration.
Venus, where days are longer than years. We all know a day on Earth is 24 hours and a year is 365 days. The rhythm of our lives is built around this cycle. We wake up, go to work or school, and return home, all within the span of a single day. Our calendars are filled with birthdays, holidays, and seasons, all marking the passage of time in a year. But on Venus, things get a little wonky. The planet's rotation is so slow that it defies our earthly understanding of time. Imagine a place where the concept of a day and a year are completely flipped. You see, Venus spins on its axis incredibly slowly. So slowly that a day on Venus, the time it takes to rotate once, is actually longer than a year on Venus, the time it takes to orbit the Sun. To put it in perspective, one Venusian day lasts about 243 Earth days, while a Venusian year is only about 225 Earth days. This means that a single day on Venus is longer than its entire year. Talk about a long workday. Imagine clocking in for work and not being able to clock out for over half a year. The sheer length of a Venusian day would make even the most dedicated workaholic exhausted. Imagine having to wait over 2 Venusian days just to celebrate your birthday. That's nearly 500 Earth days. Birthdays, anniversaries, and all the special occasions we look forward to would be spaced out in a way that's hard to fathom. It would be like living in a time warp. The passage of time would feel surreal, almost as if you were in a science fiction movie. The slow rotation and unique orbit of Venus create a world where time itself seems to stretch and bend, challenging our very perception of what a day and a year should be.
Neutron stars, the ultimate DJs. Have you ever seen a DJ spin a record so fast, it seems impossible? Well, neutron stars put them to shame. These incredibly dense remnants of collapsed stars can spin at mind-boggling speeds, sometimes hundreds of times per second. That's like a cosmic turntable on overdrive. Now imagine the music these celestial DJs could produce. It would be a symphony of gravitational waves and high-energy particles, a cosmic rave that would shake the very fabric of space-time.
Bling planet? Made of diamonds. Diamonds are a girl's best friend, right? Well, how about a whole planet made of diamonds? That's right. There's a planet out there known as 55 Cancri E. That's twice the size of Earth and composed mostly of pure crystallized carbon. That means if we could somehow mine this planet, we'd have enough diamonds to make even the Hope Diamond look like a tiny speck of dust. Of course, getting there is a bit of a problem, as it's about 40 light years away. But hey, a cosmic girl can dream, right?
We've all heard of Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth. But you know, it's basically a molehill compared to Olympus Mons, a massive shield volcano on Mars. This behemoth is 3 times taller than Everest, and so wide that it would cover the entire state of Arizona. Just imagine the kind of eruptions that created this monster. It would have been a volcanic event of epic proportions, spewing lava and ash across the Martian surface for millions of years.
Who needs a fancy bar when you can have a giant cloud of alcohol in space? That's right, astronomers have discovered a massive cloud of ethyl alcohol, the same kind we drink, floating around in the Sagittarius B2 molecular cloud. This cosmic cocktail is so large that it could fill up 400 trillion pints of beer. That's enough to get the entire universe tipsy, assuming everyone is of legal drinking age, of course.
The universe is constantly expanding, like a balloon being inflated. But here's the kicker: it's expanding faster than the speed of light. That's right, the very fabric of space-time is stretching faster than the fastest thing in the universe. It's like the ultimate cosmic race, where the finish line keeps moving further away. And the craziest part? We have no idea what's driving this accelerated expansion. It's one of the biggest mysteries in cosmology today.
Ever wanted to be taller? Well, be careful what you wish for, because black holes have a rather extreme way of stretching things out. You see, if you were to fall into a black hole, the immense gravity would pull on your feet much stronger than your head, stretching you out like a piece of spaghetti. This process, known as spaghettification, would be quite painful to say the least. But hey, at least you'd finally be able to reach that top shelf.
And there you have it, folks. 10 incredible, mind-bending, and downright absurd facts about space. From disco balls to diamond planets, cosmic cocktails to spaghettification, the universe is full of surprises. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that you're gazing upon a realm of endless wonder and mystery. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more out-of-this-world content. Until next time, keep looking up and stay absurd.